Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of this series. In this video, I am going to tell you what are mutual funds and how to analyze a mutual fund. By now, I am assuming that you are familiar with the concept of mutual funds, as I've already told you what are these in the previous videos. Just to give you a recap, mutual funds are those which are managed by AMCs. What an AMC does is it gathers funds from investors and the public and invests this amount into securities. All right, now let's start with the types of mutual funds that are out there. First is the large cap mutual fund. You may have heard of these mutual funds very frequently. What these type of mutual funds do is that the managers of these mutual funds invest the amount in large cap stocks. The overall return percentage is approximately 6 to 11%. And yeah, that's all about the large cap mutual funds. Next, we have the mid cap mutual funds. As the name suggests, you may find many mutual funds out there that invest in mid cap stocks. You can expect a return of maybe 11 to 16% on if you invest in these types of fund. And then we have small cap mutual fund. Small cap mutual funds, as the name suggests, invest in small cap stocks. The risk is high in this case, and so is the return. You can expect a return of 16 to 25% if you invest in a small cap mutual fund. Now let's discuss the process of analyzing a mutual fund, right? So there are many mutual funds out there, and it becomes a hectic task for you to analyze and to decide in which mutual fund you want to invest in, right? So here is a short guide that you can use if you want to analyze a mutual fund and decide whether you want to invest in it or not. First step is select the mutual fund that you like. Second, you search about that mutual fund. You can easily find the portfolio of that mutual fund online. Next, while observing the portfolio, note down the weightages of the investments in the stocks. So for example, if I am interested in XYZ fund, I'll check the portfolio and then I'll check the weightages allotted to a particular stock. The more the weightage, the more the investment amount in that particular stock. So now what I'll do is I'll analyze the performance of the stock. I'll analyze the business of the stock, and I'll also analyze whether the stock is going to be up in the near future. Now, if all the check boxes are ticked in my case, then only I'll consider investing in that fund. So this was all about mutual funds and how to analyze a mutual fund. I hope the guide that I just told you about helps you in analyzing any mutual fund that is out there. In the next videos, we'll talk about the types of mutual funds and the difference between a mutual fund and an ETF.